If you'd like to see what I eat in a day to lose 128 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to watch this video. Today I'm taking you on a what I eat in a day video. I'm going to do breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack or two, and I'm making a dessert. It's called Funfetti Cheesecake. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to join me in this video. I just got back from getting 4,000 steps, took a walk. It's pretty hot here, it's about 90 degrees, and I'm going to be making breakfast. I'm having some almond poppy seed pancake, Kodiak cake pancakes for breakfast, and some chicken sausages. So I'll be going in to make those soon. Today I put some coconut cream almond milk in my coffee, and that's what I'm having. It's 1 point. I also added a French vanilla creamer, and it has a sweetener in it. For breakfast, I'm making some chicken sausages that I got from Costco. They are 2 points for 3 sausage links. Jones's fully cooked chicken sausage, and they're like a breakfast sausage, and they taste really good. And I'm going to make some pancakes, which is the Kodiak Cakes almond poppy seed. These are very good. I had them in the cupboard for a while because I was in a different flavor, but they are really good. They have a very strong almond flavor, almost tasting like a cookie. So it's pretty good. The ratio to the Kodiak cake pancake mix is 1:1. So I'll put the water in, and I'll just whisk this up, make it a smooth batter, and make it just like regular pancakes, but I use spray on the pan. So I'll cook 4 pancakes at a time. I'm making this for my son and I have some of the chicken sausages cooking and some pancakes. Now 1 cup of batter is 10 points, so depending on how many pancakes I eat or make, I will let you know the points. So I'm end up having 2 pancakes. See how nice they come out? So this is going to be a 5-point breakfast, 2 points, 3 points for the pancakes, and 1 point for 2 sausages. So I'm drizzling a little bit of the sugar-free syrup on the sausage and the pancakes, and that's my breakfast. For lunch, I made some wonton soup. I simply heated up some low-sodium chicken broth and added wontons. I put some of these wontons in the soup, and I cut up a little bit of onion and some parsley, and it's like having a wonton soup, and I'm going to have that with a sandwich. I'm using this smoked white turkey. It is only 2 points for 3 slices, and I'm going to put it on 2 pieces of 647 bread, and then add a little bit of mayo and mustard, and that will be a 4-point sandwich. Okay, for dinner I'm kind of making a beef and rice recipe of my own. I'm going to brown 2 pounds of the 96% lean ground beef. I coarsely chopped up an onion, and I'm going to add that to the beef. Add some pepper, some salt, garlic powder. I'm also going to add some seasoned salt. You really can season this any way you want. And also put some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to make some beef broth out of this better than bouillon beef base. To 2 cups of water, I'll add 2 teaspoons. Then I'll also add a packet of brown gravy mix. Once that meat is browned, I'm going to empty off a little bit of that juice. Then then I'm going to add a package of frozen vegetables and add in the beef broth with the gravy. And I will cook that down for about 10 minutes. Cover it, and then I'll simmer it while the rice is cooking. That's what it looks like when it's all done. It's kind of like a hamburger stew or a shepherd's pie served over a rice, and that's what I made for dinner tonight. I kind of invented it and it looks pretty tasty. That's going to be my meal for tonight. I have 4 points of rice underneath the beef. The beef is 5 points and the corn is 0 points. So that is an 8-point dinner. Okay, I'm going to make some Funfetti cheesecake. And the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 eggs. Two teaspoons of butter extract, and 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. And I'm going to whisk that together. Then I'm going to take 30 grams of Funfetti cake mix. There's 30 grams of Funfetti, 3 cups of I use Fage yogurt, and a box of the sugar-free, fat-free cheesecake. Two tablespoons of sprinkles. In the meantime, I have the oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to combine these ingredients. Now, I don't have a springform pan, so I'm going to use a dish. It's 8 inches round. I sprayed it with some spray, and I'm going to put the cheesecake yogurt mixture into the bowl, the pan. I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. There's the cheesecake. I just took it out of the oven after 30 minutes, and it's going to set and cool, and then I will refrigerate it, and I'll show you when I have a piece. So that's my 1 piece of cheesecake, Funfetti cheesecake, and I topped it with some fat-free Reddi-wip, and that is a 1-point dessert. I have a bit of a sweet tooth right now, so I'm having 32 pretzel sticks for 2 points, and then I'm having a Russell Stover sugar-free pecan delight. Those are 2 points each, and when I mix it with the pretzel, it's like having a pretzel candy bar. So that is a 4-point snack, and it's yummy. So I didn't have much of a busy day today. I got my 10,000 steps in pretty early. I walked outside this morning before I even had my coffee, and then after I had breakfast, I went to the gym and I walked around until I got almost 10,000 steps. I didn't film any of that because it's kind of boring just walking in circles, but that's what I did today. It's pretty hot here. It's 90 degrees. And it doesn't make it very inducive for walking or exercising outside. So I was kind of just working on stuff at home. So please give me a comment below on what kind of videos you like to see. Do you like the what I eat in a day? Do you like just recipes? Do you like me including what I do in a day? I am just trying to give you guys what you like to see. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below, and I will do those kind of videos for you. I don't want to put up constantly what I eat in a day videos. I don't know if you like recipe plans or what I'm going to cook for the week. So just give me an idea so I can formulate kind of a schedule so makes everybody happy. Well, I probably won't make everybody happy, but make some people happy. So that's it for today's video. I finished the day with 25 out of 25 points available. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.